In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can fix Chrome high CPU usage for the PC and laptop. So let's dive right in. I will divide this video into 3 steps. So for the step 1, from your desktop, click on this search and search for Device Manager and open it. Here you will find this System Devices. If you open it, it will show you these some of more options where you will find this High Precision Event Timer. Right click on that and simply disable this device from here. Click Yes to confirm it. Now for the second step, click on this search and search for Choose a Power Plan. Here it will show you this. Open it and it will open up like this. In the left side, you will find this some of options where you will also find this Create a Power Plan. If you click on that, it will show you these some of options like balanced, power saver and high performance. You can select here this high performance, and if the options of high performance and ultra high performance are shown there, you can simply choose any of them, and if they are not appear here, then you can set as balanced. So after doing this second step and click next, let's move on to third and last step. Close it and click on this search and search for Task Manager, where it will show you this all running programs. If you open up this startup, it will show you these some of apps that automatically start when you open up your PC or laptop. So you have to disable unwanted apps by just selecting the device and right click on it, and simply it will show you this disable button where you can disable it from here. So these were the steps to fix Chrome high CPU voltage usage in PC and laptop in just few easy steps.